What type of bird is that, Ethan?
What is that, Ethan? Is it a bird? Can you say bird? Say bird.
Just for size comparison, that's a big bird. Mm-hmm.
Oh, do you see another bird that you're comparing it to?
No, it's the same size as that squirrel's nest in that tree. He's gonna fly again?
I don't know. We should look it up.
I don't know what it is. It's huge.
Oh, he's moving.
He's looking for something.
Oh, maybe he'll find a squirrel.
He's on the squirrel's nest now.
Yeah, it looks like he's getting it with his claws, isn't it?
I don't know, I can't see it really.
He's pounding on it with his claws. Or what are they called? They're called talons, aren't they? Called talons. He is pounding on that nest with his talons.
We are watching nature at its ugliest.
Well, he hasn't done anything. Do you see anything come out of it?
Mm-mm.
But something's in there, or he wouldn't be attacking it, right?
I don't know.
Jersey, go away, dog.
She's watching it too. Look at her hair. Jersey's hair is all spiked up.
Is it?
Yeah, she must be trying to figure out what's going on.
She's all upset. Oh, yes, she is.
Mm-hmm.
She is all upset.
Oh, she's nervous now. Jersey's jumping. I don't know if I can get the video of the dog. See her fur all furred up.
So you might want to go back to the bird because something might be coming out of that thing.
What's going to come out?
A squirrel, maybe.
Dead or alive?
I don't know.
Do vultures
Don't bang on the glass.
do vultures eat
I
squirrels?
don't think it's a vulture.
Hawks? Do hawks eat
Yes.
squirrels? Are we sure we want to have that on video?
Yes. Yeah, Jersey is outside and we're not letting her in because we're not scaring the bird. I see it too. Stop. Do you want me to hold you?
Whatever he's doing is not scaring this thing. Because the dog came running up here and that didn't scare him either.
I don't know, but something's going to happen here. Uh-oh. His wing got caught.
You shouldn't pick on other animals there, buddy.
He's going to eat it.
Uh-oh! Squirrel fell out.
Two squirrels came running out.
Okay, what's he doing?
He's watching them.
Is he going to go swoop down and get him?
I don't know. It's in the woods.
I don't know if I can get all that.
Oh, wait. There might be another one in there. Do you see the bird? There must be another one in there.
I don't know.
Why would he keep pounding on it?
I don't know. I know I saw 2 squirrels jump out of there.
Yeah. He's on a mission. No, Jersey, go away.
I don't know. Should we try to save the squirrels?
No,